Hi, I'm Eugene from BOD, and today we're going to learn how to draw Elsa from Frozen. So for today's session, we're going to need paper, a pencil, and a lot of imagination.
Alright, so we're gonna start by drawing a cute version of Elsa. It's gonna look a bit different from the one you see in the movie. So follow along. We're gonna start with a circle first for the head, followed by the ears, small little semicircles just right at the side. So for Elsa's hair, it's actually a bit more complex. We actually have small little bread roll looking hair structures on the top of the head. So you're just gonna draw that all around the head. And after that, add a small little fringe right at the top. For the eyes, they're just gonna be two big round ovals. And you're gonna add in the eyelashes, followed by the eyebrows. And nose is just gonna be a small little dot, and then a big, nice smile to finish up the face for Elsa. Moving on to the body, we start with a circle just to get the sizing. So for the body, we're gonna first do a almost like a rounded rectangle around the circle that we just drew. Next we'll have the belt as well as the vest, and then her arms. So as you can see, I'm using really simple shapes to define the body parts and the clothing itself. So we have triangles, rectangles, but they're all a bit rounded, and that's because I want to give it a cute feeling to it, and therefore that's why we use the shapes that we use instead of just your regular rigid shapes. So once you're done with the whole body, we move on to the braid, and it's actually just going to be a series of circles that flow from behind her ear, and you're going to join them up but not complete them, and then at the end of it you're going to have a ponytail, and it's just going to look a bit like flame.
And finally, just go ahead and add some finishing touches. And there you have it, a cute version of Elsa.
If you guys want to challenge yourself and draw a more advanced version of Elsa, click the link on the screen.
I hope you liked the video. I really appreciate if you guys could like and subscribe to the channel.